préfixes et les verbes. And in this video, we'll actually focus on the verb prendre. Here are the translations possible for prendre, okay? And the idea is that, of course, we're talking about préfixes, so these letters that you can add before the verb, and by adding these letters, you will modify the original meaning of the verb. Okay, so let's see a few examples now. The first one, ap, so ap, you will get apprendre, apprendre, okay, you don't pronounce the double p, apprendre, so here is what it means, okay, apprendre. Then it's possible to put this com in front of prendre, and you will get comprendre, comprendre, okay, comprendre. It's also possible to use this entre, entre, entreprendre, entreprendre, entreprendre. It's also possible to use this reprendre, reprendre, reprendre. Okay, get the translation here. Sur, surprendre. Okay, surprendre. And here is what it means. Okay, surprendre.